Now let's welcome the letter S. The sound of the letter S is S. 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 And the song of the S goes like this.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass.
Now let's look at some words that begin with the letter S. S, s, sun. S, s, sun. S, s, spider. S, s, spider. S, s, snake. S, s, snake. S, s, snowman. S, s, snowman. S, s, snail. S, s, snail. Okay, now spot where the S is. Castle. Grass. Insect. Dinosaur. Glasses. Now let's write the S. Let's start with the capital or the big S. Start from the blue solid line, going down to the bottom blue solid line. Okay? And say it this way. Curve like a snake. Curve like a snake. Curve like a snake. Now you do it. Good. Now let's write the lowercase or the small s. This time we start from the red broken line, but it's still the same. Okay? Let's do this. Curve like a snake. Curve like a snake. Curve like a snake. Your turn. Well done, everyone. See you in the next letter. Bye!